Hey guys, I'm Lindsay Angelo with Ultracool. I've been working in the world of bots for the past year. Love the world of bots, and I'm going to be talking today about branding your bots. So why is that important? One, essentially your bot is your user experience. So it's a mechanism or an avenue to make your brand come to life and express that really powerfully in order to connect your customer and your guests and prospects. So how do you make your brand come to life in your bot? So we use a 3-piece formula. First one's the P. So you want to give your bot a personality. So similar to how we all have personalities, you want your bot to have a distinct and identified personality that should be consistent. What are those traits that you exhibit in your brand that personify that? So whether it's my brand is adventurous, whether it's my brand is witty or a sage, and then to make that come to life, it's building out your bot in a way that really expresses that and gives your bot that personality. The second piece is something at Ultracool we like to call halo. So your bot should really halo your brand. If your personality is fun and flirty, in your bot you want to dial up those personality traits. So bots are an innovative technology and people expect that of them. And so it's an opportunity and there's degrees of freedom in there to have some fun and to really dial up your personality in that bot. The third piece, cohesiveness. So you want to make sure your bot is cohesive with the rest of your journey. You're acknowledging where your visitors have come from and where they're at in their journey, and you're acknowledging where they're wanting to go and kind of meeting them where they are. In doing that, it helps make sure their brand experience and how they're experiencing your brand is really cohesive. And if you do all three of those, your bot can be just a great way to really powerfully express your brand and engage.